Hello everyone, this is Coco Sherelle and welcome to my channel. I have a pair of beautiful Converses. They are done, but they are not complete. I will be finishing these up with some pearls for my customer, but I just wanted to show you what I have so far. So these is like the traditional Converses that I have been doing before. You can check out some of my other videos to see how I have done that with the toe, the lace, and up the back. But I will show you guys how I complete these with the pearls. But so far they're gorgeous. They can be worn just like this. For anybody who's interested in Converses like this, you can click the link in my description box. I will have my websites up there, so you can click on there and see. But so far these are gorgeous. I love the way they look. I love the sparkle. These are AB crystals. I use various size to get this look. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get started with the pearls. Before then, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, share, like. I really appreciate that. So stay tuned and we're gonna get started. Okay, so now I'm going to be working around the number 40, and I will be using mostly small pearls, like this size, to go inside and all around. Now I have some really small pearls, but I have to just go get them. I'm going to add them into the little spaces here. And as you can see, I'm adding a lot of glue. I did a little bit on the crystals, but that's not a problem. It's all going to dry clear. So I want to see what size I can put in the middle. Let's see. Okay, so now I'm working on the top of the tongue. Now this would be better if I did take the lace a loop, because I'm just going to probably go down to maybe the second part, because some people don't tie to the very first hole. So just in case she wants to tie to the second one, it'll still look like the whole thing is done. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do that, just to make sure that everything is done. Alright, so there we have it. So if she ties at the second hole, so I'm going to do from here to down here. Okay, so there you have it. So I'm just going to even that up, but you're not going to see it because, like I said, this is at the second hole. So I'm gonna lace this back up. So once this is laced up, you're not gonna see that. So this is what it'll look like when it's laced up. Okay, so you'll have cross cross and then the bow tie, the tie. So you're not even gonna see that, but I just wanna make that even. And then there you have it. So this is what I have: the top, the side, a secret 40 is in there, and then I have the bottom. So it looks like the whole entire tongue is done. Now, I could have easily did the whole tongue. It's not a problem doing it. But why do it if the lace is going to be in there, it's going to cover it? It doesn't, you know, it's like wasting crystals. No one's not going to wear these sneakers with without any laces. It's just impossible to walk with them. So, there you have it. So now just this side to do. But before I get to that side, I'm going to start on the other one. Give this one a chance to dry completely. And then that's when I'll do the next side. But I'm loving these so far. They're coming out beautiful.